right, everyone. So we are nearly done. I'm going to just provide a few quick thoughts and then we can conclude. If you guys have any final questions, please feel free to email. So one thing really quickly that I just wanted to say, because a lot of people asked, is the recordings for the sessions will be posted. If you are interested in watching the recordings later, then feel free to follow us on social media because we will be announcing there when the recordings will be posted. And so hopefully this session gave you guys a bit of an idea of how research can be done, in various levels in terms of research also as a problem solving technique. So just to kind of close up that notion, we just wanted to share some of the thoughts that we have that, drive our, why we encourage research, before college. So one is that, we feel that it's never too early to learn how to solve problems and to learn new things. And hopefully you saw from the students that presented that they were able to take apart an interesting problem, sort of dissect it in pieces, and then apply techniques to it, see how it works and things like that. It's a great way to develop passions and areas of interest, as well as provide distinctive accomplishments. How do you get started? This is similar to what we said at the beginning of the session. You find a topic that you care about, learn the research process, learn a little bit about the technology, and then experiment and see what you find. There's a whole bunch of places where you can target these kinds of work. Our students have targeted science fairs, innovation and science competitions, publications. They work with nonprofits, as Strategia pointed out, things like that. But there's a lot of different areas that you can have impact in, as well as a lot of different venues that you can use to share what you've learned and work with people. Finally, where does this fit in with this whole school curriculum, APs, things like that? So, I know that most, not all of our attendees are coming from the United States, but at least in the United States, and this is true of other countries like India as well, is that the curriculum is a constantly evolving element. It does involve research skills in many different areas. Sometimes, students first learn research skills in science class. Sometimes they learn it, frankly, in, history class, if not, and things like that. But research skills tend to add value in almost many different topics, some of them not even technical. So, the ability to take apart a problem and, carefully put together a hypothesis and a solution is a skill that will help you in science class, in debate class, and history class, and so forth. And so what we have found is that students bring to their research process things that they have learned from many different areas. There are specific integrations, at least in the United States, in computer science. We find them mostly in the areas of AP computer science principles, where you can do projects, or AP statistics, where students who have done research programs that have explored problems already have a fairly solid understanding of AP statistics, even before they take an AP statistics class, because ultimately it's all about the data. So just some thoughts that we wanted to share to help you kind of understand how all this stuff fits together. If you're interested in doing a research program, I will just put this on the chat. You can feel free to just email us and chat with us about what you would like to do. And that is true whether you're a student trying to do research or whether you're a teacher trying to bring research into the school. Both are fine. So thank you, everybody. Hopefully you guys had a great event. Thank you so much to our wonderful presenters, Dr. Oza, and to all of the students who presented. I hope you guys, enjoyed hearing each other's presentations as well as just learning a lot. And if you have any questions or want to know anything about the recordings, they will be posted later. Thank you so much, everyone.